How to turn off red receipts on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to turn off red receipts on Instagram. So let's begin. So unfortunately, Instagram still doesn't have an option in which you can turn off the red receipts. However, what I will be teaching you is just an alternative. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your Instagram app is up to date. So if your Instagram app is still not updated, go to your App Store or your Google Play Store and update your Instagram app. Once you have done that, you may now go to Instagram and then go to your messages right here on the upper right corner. And then, as you can see, there is still an unread message on my messages section. So what I would suggest if you have this one is to refresh it again and again. And then once you have refreshed it, you are going to turn off or put your phone into airplane mode. So turn off your Wi-Fi or put your phone into airplane mode. So once you have done that, you may now click on that message and then you may be able to see that message. And then once you have seen it already, go to your profile and then log out your account. So click on the three lines right here, click on settings, and then click on log out right here. So once you have logged out, you may now then turn on your Wi-Fi once again and re-log in on your account. So again, Instagram still doesn't have an option to turn off red receipts. However, this is just an alternative. So that's it. That's how you can turn off red receipts on Instagram. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.